Do that again. Do that again. Do that again. Go, Nico. Go, go, go. Do it, Nico. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Well, okay.
This is what our life is gonna be, honey. Oh my God.
To music classes.
Look at her. You can see that she's really loving music.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
You guys, so many of you has been sending me email, sending me messages, reaching out on Facebook, reaching out on Instagram, wanting to send baby D gifts. However, it is not easy for you guys to send us gifts if you're in the USA, because we're all the way in France, and it's not easy for you guys in the USA to order from Amazon France because it's in French. So we came up with an idea, with a solution, and we decided to go with Amazon UK, which some of you have been ordering from already. So we made an Amazon UK registry with some items that is very reasonable for you guys. Bear in mind, I already told you guys that you guys really don't have to do this, but you guys insist on wanting to send her gift by my hand action. So I finally decided to create it, and I know you guys will be happy to send baby girl gifts. So you guys can go ahead and order anything that you guys want to send us. When you go on the list, the link will be down below in the comment section and in the description box. So you guys can just click on it and it takes you directly to our list, and you guys can go through and see what you guys would wish to send us. And send us whatever you like from the list. So that's the announcement, you guys. We officially have a baby registry. Alexa, pause. Okay, talk to them now.
Good morning, Faith. Good morning now.
I'm to say good morning.
Yeah.
Good morning, Faith. Tyler demanded that I come and start the vlog this morning. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. I am up. We are all up. Baby's at work. Wait, Mama is talking. You wait until Mama finish, then you talk, okay?
Okay.
Baby's at work, and I am up full of energy, and I'm cleaning this entire house because I haven't really get to deep clean all week.
You forget to clean up this house.
Excuse me, why I forget to clean up this house? Because you didn't do it, so Mama have to do it. How about that?
Yeah.
Anyway, you guys, I'm cleaning. I'm well on my way. I'm in a good little vibe, chilling, listening to some Jamaican music, of course, and just getting this house clean to the T. So I'm doing that, and Tyler said, Mama, can you put the camera so they can see me play? So you guys gonna watch Tyler play and watch me clean. So enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys at some point throughout the day. Baby girl is here, chilling with us, of course. Anyway, you guys, okay, there you go. Talk to Phil. Alexa, play.
I'm building my truck because nobody is coming from my store. That's why nobody wants to buy something.
Lunchtime. Okay, eat up. It's hot. Okay, blow on it. You guys, I finished cleaning. this entire house from top to bottom. Last two final thing was to do is start the washing machine, start the dishwasher, and I did that. So I'm done. Yeah. He's so funny. All right, eat up your lunch, okay?
Okay.
Baby's still at work. It's Saturday, but babe had to blow it. Put it up close to you. Blow it. It's hot. Blow on it. Don't make a mess. Blow on the spoon, not in the plate. He's so silly. Babe had to see 2 clients this morning, so he had to go in the office. So he just called me that he's finished and about to leave work, so he should be home in about 45 minutes or so. But yeah, Saturday is going well. I actually have some flower seed that I bought at the supermarket that I want to plant. I'm gonna plant these 2 flower seed outside. So while Tyler is eating, I think I'm gonna do that. These are the 2 flowers I'm gonna plant. I don't know if you guys can see. It's kind of dark.
I want to
Hey guys, tell us a hey faves. Ty, tell her. Ty, say hey faves. Where are we? Pizza! As I was talking to you guys, my battery died. I was telling you guys that after that, all that cleaning, of course, you know, your girl crashed for the rest of the day. I finished about 1 o'clock roughly, and I did nothing else for the rest of the day. I was just laying down with babe and Tyler. And now it's night, even though it's bright outside. It's after 6 p.m. and I want pizza. Pizza. So we're at Domino's. Domino's is just on the other street. Babe gone to pick up, and then we're gonna head to one of my friends. We're gonna head go to
my friend.
She's your friend?
Yeah.
She's my friend too.
Yes.
We're gonna go to Lily's house.
Papa friend.
Yes, she's Papa friend too.
No.
Just to hang out with her a bit.
Boy
because she's
Papa
leaving to Canada.
Friend, and the big guy is our friend.
Okay. She's leaving to Canada, and she won't be back for a while, so I don't know when I'm gonna see her again. Anyway, you guys, waiting on the pizza, and then we're gonna head to Lily's. Camera.
Excuse me, Mama. Mama.
Yes, Stella.
You know I'm an excavator.
Yes, I know.
It's the one with the big bucket. And then
can see Lily house over there. Yeah. And to go in a boat. Okay.
Back to our what?
What is that?
Box.
Jeez, look at this one. Jeez. It's and pretty. Look at all the lights. Oh my gosh. Do you think somebody's in it? People in it? Well, lights on inside. Look at the top window. I wonder if they live there or. So you think they just go there probably just to visit sometime or chill? Because I don't know if the boat even move. Like 1 times off? But this boat looks like I always see it there every time we come. Or it's a different one. Okay, this is the port for it, like you just go out.
For like 6 months.
Yes, sir. It's a what?
You're the last house.
Look guys, this place is so pretty at night. We don't normally see it at night. What happened? Your nose? I think it's the first we're really seeing the port.
Where do I have to go?
She's on this road. Do that again, do that again, do that again. Go, Nico, go, go, go. Do it, Nico, do it, do it. Do it.
Well, I think
This is what our life is gonna be, honey. Oh my God.
to music classes.
Look at her. You can see that she's really loving music.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, behind you, Tyler. Look. Nika is behind you. Hi, girl. Hi. 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 You see yourself? Look in the screen.
Breakdancing, Tyler?
Look, who is that? Who is that?
Mama.
Oh, careful, 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 careful.
Those are some
I can, Nico.
See Nico behind you. Be careful. Look at these two. Go get Tyler. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Sit there. Go. Go on. Go get him. Yeah. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Go get Tyler. Go. Get him. Come on. Get Tyler.
Oh, here comes.
Go, Ty. Oh, Lordy.
You got it. Hey,
Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Get him, Nico. Get him. Ty, Nico's gone.
Hold your track.
Now I know what Ty is going to be like with his sister. It's so fun to see them both playing.
It's David Otter.
Ty?